2019 Principles of Account past question number 40. In the absence of a partnership deed, the Act stipulates that the Partnership Act of 1890 stipulates that in the absence of a partnership deed, the following rules must be applicable. 1. That there shall be no interest on capital. The partners must not have interest on capital. 2. No salary. There shall be no salary of any kind to any partner, either the active partner or the dormant partners or the ones that are running the business day to day. 3. That profits and losses should be shared equally. Profits and losses should be shared equally. 4. That 5% interest a year, 5% interest a year on loans should be made by partners, in excess of the agreed capital. In excess of the agreed capital. And number 5, no interest on loan. No interest on drawings, not loans. No interest on drawings. So from the information given to us, our options are not complete. So, but this should guide the students on the requirements in the absence of a partnership deed, because a partnership deed is an agreement binding partners in a partnership business. So ABC partnership, what binds them, what their bylaw is called partnership deed. So thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.